morning! At the suggestion of Deb Korn, my wife and I started watching The Boys. It's a show on Prime, and the way she put it was, depends on how much gore you find to be too much. So I'll give you that. But at the end of the second season, heads tend to explode, quite literally. It's an interesting AI. And I got thinking about this sales tip and thought, yeah, that's a good analogy. That's a good tie-in, because if you want to make a sales rep's head explode, just use the acronym CRM. They will absolutely blow up, because salespeople in general don't like CRMs. They see this as things that control them. They see this as something that slows them down. And I get it. I love that hungry sales rep who says, just get everything out of my way and let me sell. But I want to talk to you today about record keeping, because I think it's very important. One part of CRM that's really important is to track that activity. And what I want to point out to you is it's not necessary to go full Monty on a company and just take note of their website and their fax number and their LinkedIn location and get everything. You can start out in the shallow end of the pool. So you can start with something as simple as a spreadsheet or a piece of paper with a phone number, a company, an email, their name, of course, and then track from there any and all contact attempts. When you make contact with them, that's when you want to get a little bit more robust. When they become a customer, that's when you want everything. So you can start out very light. You don't need to get every single detail. That should help you a little bit. What's most important in this tracking, this record keeping, is any conversation that you have. This is critical. And make certain that you write down all of the side comments, all of the personal information, anything you can think of. This is going to make a huge difference in the future, so that when you know you're calling someone or when they call you, you can call that up on your computer and just read what you talked about. You might say something was like, by the way, how was your vacation out west? Or did the baby get born? Or something like that. These things mean something to them. Write everything down. There's my tip for this week. I hope you have a great selling week, everybody. I'll be back next week with another sales tip. Check out the Sales Vault in the meantime.